Proxima B, a planet orbiting the closest star to our solar system, has captured the attention of scientists and the public, while the focus has been on its sunlit side, the perpetually shadowed dark side remained a mystery. Now the James Webb Space Telescope has provided a peak revealing data that researchers find odd and confusing. One side of Proxima B always faces its star, while the other is in constant darkness. It was thought that the dark side was a cold dead zone, but recent images tell a different story. Strange emissions coming from the dark side are changing what we thought we knew about planetary environments. These faint signals suggest unusual energy patterns and infrared radiation, hinting at hidden heat and light sources that don't fit our current understanding. Could these emissions be natural, or could they suggest something bigger? The strangeness of these emissions has led some to speculate about artificial origins. Could the dark side of Proxima B be hiding advanced tech? If the signals are artificial, it could mean a civilization is thriving in harsh conditions. Tech could be essential, offering the light and warmth needed for survival in total darkness. The emission patterns almost resemble city lights, suggesting organized activity. Is there a society that has learned to live in a dark, cold place, adapting in ways we can't imagine? Finding life on Proxima B would be huge. It could mean they've developed advanced tech using resources in ways we haven't considered just to survive in a tough environment. Proxima B is tightly locked, leading to extreme conditions, constant daylight on one side and freezing darkness on the other. Without a thick atmosphere to spread heat, the dark side could be too cold for life as we know it. Living there might require artificial energy sources. Could a civilization have solved this through systems that move heat and power to the dark side? That would require engineering skills beyond our own, offering a hint of what advanced life might look like. One of the most surprising findings is the possibility of water on Proxima B's dark side. It's not likely to be on the surface, but there might be underground reservoirs, shielded from the harsh environment. Water is key for life, and finding it could mean there are extreophiles that can survive extreme conditions. If there's water, it would change how we think about habitability and offer a look at how life can adapt to some of the toughest places in the even with these discoveries, the data creates more questions than answers. What's the cause of these emissions? Are they just a strange natural occurrence, or are they a sign of something bigger? The consistent nature of the emissions suggests a purpose, but no natural process explains them. Are we seeing proof of an advanced civilization, or is this just a cosmic phenomenon we haven't seen before? Scientists are still studying the data, but it's clear that the dark side of Proxima B isn't lifeless. It's a place of mystery, potential, and possibility. The emissions from Proxima B's dark side raise questions about their power source. Since there's no sunlight, typical heat sources like solar power are off the table. One idea is that the planet's core could be active, creating geothermal energy. This heat could keep underground water, liquid, and power systems on the dark side. Another idea is nuclear energy, a super powerful tech that could work in isolated locations, whether natural or artificial. The energy source behind these emissions could change how we understand power generation in extreme environments. Further study of Proxima B's dark side has revealed unexpected components in its thin atmosphere, or what's left of it. Traces of gases like carbon dioxide and methane raise questions about their origin. these gases could come from geological activity or possibly life. The presence of methane in particular has led some to wonder if it's a byproduct of microbes or something unknown. The uneven distribution of these gases suggests local sources, possibly linked to the emissions. Could this be a clue pointing to activity or life on Proxima B's dark side? Proxima B is just one of many exoplanets being studied by the James Webb Space Telescope, but its dark side is a puzzle. Scientists plan to compare Proxima B to other tidally locked planets, hoping to find patterns that explain its oddities. While most tidally locked planets have extreme temperature differences, Proxima B's dark side, emissions, and strange atmosphere make it unusual. These findings hint that Proxima B might have processes occurring that we haven't seen anywhere else. The more we learn about Proxima B, the more it challenges what we thought we knew about exoplanets and their potential to host life. The most exciting idea about Proxima B's dark side is the possibility of advanced tech. The organized patterns of the emissions and the amount of energy needed to sustain them suggest an intelligent force. Could these emissions be the result of activity? So their tech would have to be far beyond our current abilities, letting them thrive in constant darkness. Though just a theory, it raises questions about how life and tech might develop in environments unlike our own. The mystery of Proxima B's dark side continues to fuel the curiosity of scientists and the public. As researchers study the data, the possible answers become bigger and more complex. Proxima has always been an object of interest, but now it's challenging our basic assumptions about the limits of life and tech. If civilization can survive and thrive in such extreme conditions, it could change our view of life in the idea that life might exist in such a harsh environment leads to many questions. How could life arise without sunlight? What biological changes might allow life to survive in the cold and darkness of Proxima B's shadowed side? If they are intelligent beings, how have they overcome these challenges? Could their tech be based on principles we don't understand? The more we learn, the clearer it becomes that Proxima B could offer insights into the resilience of life and the possibility of other civilizations beyond Earth. The intrigue surrounding Proxima B's renewed interest in interstellar exploration. As scientists study the data from the James Webb Space Telescope, discussions about future missions to explore this distant world are becoming more frequent. Organizations like Breakthrough Initiatives are preparing for missions to reach Proxima B within a human lifetime. These efforts could help answer the pressing questions about the planet's dark side and its potential for life. The dark side of Proxima B could be a source of discoveries. The presence of an energy source, whether natural or artificial, would greatly improve our understanding of energy generation in extreme conditions. The idea that a civilization might have developed tech to geothermal or nuclear energy to sustain life in total darkness challenges the limits of what we think is possible. Such discoveries could have implications not just for space exploration but also for tech development on Earth. Beyond the search for life, Proxima B's dark side reminds us of how much we still have to learn about the every new discovery challenges our understanding. It reminds us that time vast filled with mysteries that we have yet to understand. The data from Proxima B will encourage scientists and dreamers to keep searching for answers to questions that have been asked for centuries. If life exists on Proxima B, or if advanced tech is hidden on its dark side, it would change our understanding of our place in it. The possibilities are endless, and the discoveries we make could change how we view life, tech, and the vastness of space. The quest to uncover these secrets is just beginning, offering the chance to find truths that could rewrite what's possible. The exploration of Proxima B shows humanity's curiosity and determination. It shows us that life, whether biological or technological, might exist in environments that challenge our knowledge. As we study this planet, we may find answers about life and our future beyond Earth. The mystery of Proxima B's dark side is just starting, and who knows what we will find next. As scientists analyze the data from the James Webb Space Telescope, more questions arise about the true nature of Proxima B and what its dark side might contain. The idea that an advanced civilization could be living in such extreme conditions is both exciting and humbling. Our current understanding of habitability and technological progress is mostly Earth-based, with life requiring sunlight and a stable environment to survive. Proxima challenges these assumptions, causing us to rethink what is needed for life and tech to flourish. One of the most interesting parts of Proxima B's dark side is how it may offer a look into the future of energy production and resource use. The energy sources that might be supporting any potential civilization on the dark side could lead to an energy tech here on Earth. For example, if Proxima B's inhabitants are using geothermal or nuclear energy, these energy systems could provide insights into new ways of generating power without relying on traditional methods. Learning how a civilization survives in total darkness could help us rethink our off-grid energy solutions. The potential for life on Proxima B goes beyond the question of civilization. If harsh environment organisms are present, it would expand our knowledge of where life can exist. Harsh environment organisms have already been discovered in places once thought to be lifeless, such as deep-sea vents, acidic hot springs, and frozen areas. If Proxima B has life in its underground reserves, it would show that life can adapt to conditions we would normally consider unlivable, suggesting that the possibilities for life elsewhere are far broader than we thought. Further, studying Proxima B could help improve our methods for finding exoplanets. The unusual emissions and infrared signals from Proxima B provide an opportunity to develop better ways of detecting signs of life or tech on distant worlds. Studying this planet could expand what we know about detecting such signs, encouraging researchers to think innovatively. Future observatories and research missions. If we can find evidence of artificial signals or unusual energy patterns on Proxima B, it may lead to finding life across the cosmos. The findings on Proxima B also present questions about the long-term survival of a civilization. If there are beings living on the dark side, they've likely had to adapt in ways that are different from anything we've seen on Earth. The extreme conditions, constant darkness, cold temperatures, and few resources would require high levels of innovation and endurance. Could they have developed self-sustaining environments? Could they use energy techs that are more efficient than our current systems? What other changes might they have developed to beat the cold and darkness? To humanity, Proxima B shows the ultimate frontier. It forces us to deal with the idea that life, intelligent life, could exist in conditions we consider impossible. The dark side of Proxima makes us rethink our place in the, reminding us that we don't know what's possible beyond Earth. For centuries, we've been searching for life, and this discovery forces us to broaden the scope of our search. What if the key to finding life isn't just about looking for Earth-like planets, but about thinking about the ways life might adapt to extreme and unexpected environments? While the possibilities of Proxima B are tempting, it's important to approach these findings carefully. Much of the data is preliminary, and scientists are trying to understand what the emissions and strange signals mean. Some researchers are doubtful, suggesting that the signals could have natural explanations that aren't yet known. It's also possible that the faint emissions could be caused by things unrelated to life or tech, such as magnetic fields or cosmic events. Until there is more data, it's crucial not to jump to conclusions. That being said, the possibility that Proxima B could host life or tech has sparked a sense of wonder. The fact that this planet is in the habitable zone of its star, where liquid water could exist, makes it a prime target for future exploration. If scientists can study Proxima B more closely, there's a chance that we may one day answer these questions about life beyond Earth. Proxima B's dark side also serves as a comparison to humanity's own future. As we face environmental challenges on Earth, the idea that life can adapt to even the most extreme conditions might offer ideas. Could we learn from the possible tech of advanced civilization on Proxima B? Could their ability to capture energy in an inhospitable environment give us clues about how to address energy scarcity or climate change? Proxima B forces us to ask deeper questions about what makes a planet livable and what forms of life and tech might exist in conditions very different from our own.